Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, thanks so much for coming by. So, yeah, this channel is all about Uber and Lyft. Sorry, I'm sitting in my car here, and I know it's super bright, and I know, I'm at VidCon right now, and I felt like I needed to make this quick video, so I just left the conference to just check in with you guys, because I am super dedicated, and I wanted to get this video out. So if you guys don't know, in California right now, the biggest things ever is happening in rideshare, which basically, in California, there was a bill that was voted on by the California Assembly to pass that would make Uber and Lyft drivers employees. Uber and Lyft drivers employees. And it finally got into, for the state legislator to pass on it at the Capitol in Sacramento. And they passed it. They also agree, because there's called an ABC test to see whether or not somebody is an employee. And they ruled that it passed, so it passed 3-1. So drivers are now most likely gonna become employees. It still needs to get passed through the Senate though. But basically now it's pretty much ruled that that Uber and Lyft, we're gonna become employees in California. And like you guys have heard, Uber and Lyft said that if that happens, that's gonna be detrimental to the business model of Uber and Lyft. So it could possibly, I mean, I've said this before, but it could possibly end Uber and Lyft for good in California. And then, this might be the end of it. This might, Uber and Lyft might have been a great run. Now it might just have to, move into driverless cars right away. So honestly, it's pretty crazy. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Do you think it's gonna pass? It still has to go through the Senate, to my knowledge. That's what I think is going on. Yeah, I don't know everything. I'm not a political expert, but from my knowledge, it passed the California Assembly, it passed the state legislature. Now the Senate needs to approve it, and it most likely will, because I saw a letter that said, hey guys, pass this bill. So yeah, it could, I don't know, where do you guys drive? Do you guys drive in California, in other states? Do you want to be an employee? I don't even know if it's gonna work, but honestly, it could be pretty interesting if it does work out. I mean, I would love to get some healthcare benefits, and to get like a set wage, although it would definitely decrease my earnings, as I do make quite a bit on Uber and Lyft, but I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully not stuck to one platform, although that could very well be the case. And a right to unionize. I definitely would join a union, just because unions have great benefits too. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. Really quickly, this is the article that came out. Uber and Lyft try to blunt a court ruling that their drivers are employees. This is by the LA Times. No, I do not want to get a free headline in my inbox. That lady, I think that is the girl who wrote the bill. I think her name is Lorena Gonzalez. Yep, that's her. Speaks at a rally after her measure to limit companies can label workers as independent. She looks fierce. She looks feisty. I would not want to be, would not want to be in the same bedroom as her. Just kidding. I do not want to talk to her. She looks pretty scary. We're not interested in and haven't engaged in anything that would underdetermine the court decision or AB5 when it passes. That's Bob Schnover. Interesting last name there. But yeah, guys, look at this graph. What is that? ATUS, and then those are Uber drivers. So what is ATUS? That's fraction working. Not sure, but it looks pretty interesting. Yet there are grounds for questioning how much drivers really flexibility, or how much they're willing to give it up in exchange for it. Would you guys be willing to give up flexibility for higher pay? Do you want to have a set schedule but then make more? I probably wouldn't, because I like the flexibility aspect of it. Like, after this conference is over, I'll probably put on destination mode on my way home, and I'll probably only do like 1 or 2 rides, maybe 3, however many it takes for me to get home. Otherwise, I would have to sign up for a whole shift. I don't want to do that. Do you guys? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been another episode of the Rideshare App. I will keep you updated with any new updates, follow-up videos on this topic. You guys are the best. I will talk to you all soon. Later, guys. Peace.